Right then, back on the beach. This time I'm out with the Legend. It looks like all the sand, all the shingle and everything has been stripped away, so it's now fine sand, or at least fine shingle. So no swimming, red flags are up. So I'll be here for a few hours. Let's see what we can find. The tide is coming in though. So the tides are a bit wrong this week for me, but never mind. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. Right, nearly made a mistake there. First hole is a 41 at 42. Is it going to be a ring pull or is it going to be a coin? 41 42. Right, it's out. Out. 43 now. Oh no, just a bottle lid. Just a bottle lid. This one's jumping around a bit. That sounds really good that way. Bit of a duller sound that way. So we got 28.31 that way. 43 that way, occasionally jumping up to a 50. So let's see. It's out. It's out. That. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. Now getting a bit of a rust signal. Just put you on so you can hear. And I would say it's probably going to be a rusty coin. Trying to work out where it is. It's just there. Where is it? I don't care if I have a rusty coin. Let's have a look. Sound's gone anyway. Yep. One rusty penny. Had to be really. Alright, it's jumping around. That's a 44 solid there. So it can, well, I don't know. I would hope a signal like that would be a pound, but generally they're like a 42, 43. Oh, blimey. Oh, it's not a pound. It's probably a foreign coin by the looks of it. No. Flamingo Park, Hastings. That's a token. One token. Alright, I've got a signal in the sea. Just there, 48. There somewhere. Oh, I've got it out first hit. 2p or not to p? That is the question. 2 pence. Right. So you can hear 29. Oh. That's out. 50p. 50 pence. Didn't show them. 2 bits of aluminium. Didn't show them being dug, but there you go. 2 large bits of, well, 1 large bit and 1 can top. So it's a coin all day long. Could be wrong because it is jumping around, but it's generally a 44, so probably looking at what, penny I suppose. 44 to 46. Yeah, there you go. 1 pence. Been there a little while. A penny. This is 48. Yeah, 48, not too far down. So you can hear it. Yeah, generally a 48. Every now and again it was a 54. Hello. And it's a 2 pence. Bit battered. But again, been there a while. 2 pence. That's a 44. Occasionally going up to a 48. That is part of a car, part of a toy car. It's the front grille, headlight I suppose, bonnet area, but yeah, part of a car. Predominantly a 37. Another bit of aluminium. The numbers are everywhere for aluminium. These are such a good signal, you can't help but dig them. So yeah, just a clump of aluminium. 37. 43, sweet as a nut. So I'm going to jump the gun and say it's a pound. I might be wrong, but it should be. I was wrong, it's a £2. There you go. £2 coin. I just switched you off. £2 there, 43. I've got a 43, 44 here. And there it is there, nice shiny pound. Alright, got £2 there, got a pound there. We've got another 43 here. Oh, another pound. Another pound. There you go. Another one. Another 43. Another pound. Alright, I'll stay along this line, I think. Another pound. Oh, I've come a bit further along this time. That's a 44. A bit of aluminium this time. In fact, is it another part of that car? That looks like the back end of it. So I've got the front end and the back end. That looks like the rear end of that car. So 47 to 48. Still in there. Out. That's out. I think it's just a bit of copper, to be fair, rather than an actual ring. It's been crudely cut there. So I would say that that is literally just a bit of copper being cut. Yeah, just a copper ring, that is, as in copper pipe, cut a bit off and thrown it. There you go. Right, 42, 43, but predominantly a 43. It's out. What's that? Oh no, I thought that was a coin then. It's not. Oh, munitions end. Alright, okay, fair enough. That is London and Co. Shotgun shell. Surely not. This is number 8. Elite, London. Yep. Shotgun shell. Or casing, sorry. The end bit. Nice bit of brass. There you go. 33, 34. It's like a penny. It comes up a bit wrong numbers, unless it's just because of the rust that's on it. I'd say it's a penny. Alright. I've got 30, 31. 30-31. $30-31. 10p. Looks too big. Very smooth. $19.73. Okay, it's one of the old 10p's. Our other ones are quite a little bit smaller, probably just inside the lettering. So in there to there, so they're a lot smaller. But yeah, 1973. Happy with that. That's a 40, 41, 42. Very faint signal. Can, I would have thought. Oh, it's out. Oh, might not be out. Yeah, I think that signal's really, really poor now. No signal at all now. Oh, loud and proud on top here though. Another bottle lid, or bottle cap I should say. Got another copper band. I don't know, I think it is just literally just another bit of copper pipe, to be fair, been cut. I'll try and straighten it out and have a look inside, but yeah, just a bit of copper again. Right, I've had a good couple of hours out. It should be now high tidal, just thereabouts. Yeah, enjoyed it. A few coins. This is what it's all about, and cleared a bit of rubbish as well. As usual, Legends performed really well. And if you haven't already seen the settings will be up on a slide, probably near the beginning, to be fair. But some people skip, so you may not have seen it. There you go. Alright, enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching.